What's up, you guys? It's Jason from RPM, and today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new product that we're offering. That is the Can-Am X3 Platform's OEM replacement gas tank, and it drops straight into the factory location. You lose nothing. Your glove box stays there. You don't cut anything. You don't need to modify anything. It drops straight into the factory location. All of your accessories are still in place in the center grab handle console, and it just drops in. It's a beautiful thing. These gas tanks are roto-molded, 6mm thick. They have a provided tip-over valve, a 6061 billet tip-over valve retention plate, uses the factory fill neck, factory gas cap, factory fuel pump drops right in there. Factory fuel, I mean, this thing is a drop-in replacement tank. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the car, but that's where it gets tricky. You can't see anything. It looks just like your factory tank. You can't see it, and that's exactly how this one is too. So I will kind of show you some key points, and that is the glove box is still fully intact. Everything's in the glove box still. That's great. We have the factory panels here, factory panels, even the factory center panel. We could have come in here and filled this up, but we know there's a lot of accessories that happen in here. So we made sure we left all of this open so all of your accessories can still float in here. And yeah, you lose no driver leg room. Like I said, this is completely hidden. We just fill every nook and cranny in the factory location, and we get to this beautiful guy. If you guys got any questions, you can drop them in the comment sections. Otherwise, pick them up, rpmsidebyside.com.